VHTML directives VueJS course. I created another component for VHTML, included here component, get back to the child component. As per previous video, 3 element with welcome to MSG show here and markup show here. Let's see the output. HTML code print as it is with a strong tag. How can we convert into a actual format of HTML? Just need to change text with HTML and reload the page. Anchor tag AF. You can see clickable link here, backtick here, and on click event and show some text. Let's see when I click on here. JavaScript work fine. I hope you like this video. Until next video, goodbye.